Toyota doesn't redesign the Land Cruiser very often, so the arrival of this new 300 series model is a big deal. Compared to the previous iteration of the 200 series, the new Land Cruiser is lighter, more powerful and has a much more modern interior. It will go on sale in global markets but will likely not reach the US, at least not in this form. After the recent discontinuation of the Land Cruiser, rumors were circulating that America would only be getting the Lexus version of this new model, as the next generation LX. While waiting to see what Toyota does with this new model in the market, can dive into its specifications. It is claimed to weigh 440 pounds lighter than its predecessor and uses two new engines. A twin-turbo petrol 3.4-liter V6 with 409 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, or a twin-turbodiesel 3.3-liter V6 with 304 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. A 10-speed automatic transmission and of course 4-wheel drive are standard on all fronts. The new design doesn't look radically different from the current model, but the front has a more prominent grille and cooler lighting setup, while the rear has new taillights and a reshaped rear door. Inside, the cabin benefits from significant upgrades with a large tablet-style infotainment screen and a cleaner dashboard layout. 3 rows of seats will be available, and the third row appears to fold to the floor, a change from the current model, which requires turning and folding the rear seats towards the window for more cargo capacity. We'll be hearing more about Toyota's future plans for the Land Cruiser soon, and we're curious to see what happens if one goes up with the nameplate in the US.